Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Mama of French Girls. So guys, in this video I'm gonna be showing you how I soak my toes in water using the machine that I've got for Mother's Day. It was a Mother's Day gift from my two daughters. So I'm gonna be removing this nail polish on my toes. Also, as you can see, this is the machine right there. So without wasting much of your time, I will just show you what I do with my toes. Let's go, guys. First, I'm going to be removing the old nail polish that I had on my toes. Yeah, and I'm going to be putting this green thing that you saw. It's called foot soak. I'm going to be adding it to the water. It helps if you have pain under your heel. It just helps you out. I'm someone who has a lot of pain under my heels when I stand too long. So I'm going to be removing the nail polish, and since I didn't have any more cotton, so I'm just going to be using this old cloth and I will throw it afterwards. So just watch the video, guys, and enjoy it. Please don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to my video. And please do not skip my ads, guys. Please do not skip my ads.
Si tu fais aujourd'hui, tu vas pas à la mer. Pas de la mer.
Maman, quand la maman va enlever ça pour toi. Pourquoi tu fais ça?
La mer n'enlève pas.
Baby, it's you and me. Baby, it's you and me. Baby, don't worry and baby, don't fret. Baby, don't cry. Baby, don't worry and baby, don't fret. Baby, don't cry. Life is hard sometimes, but we can survive. Life is so hard sometimes, but we can survive. We can work and make it if we try. Just as long as you will satisfy. So give me good loving, girl, tonight.
So guys, I'm done removing the nail polish. See how this thing is ugly. So I'm gonna go ahead and wash my feet out and in the machine. My friend was the one who gifted me this foot soak because I was complaining a lot.
Just a bit.
C'est quoi ça, maman? Mais si c'est pour les pieds, c'est quoi?
Foot soak.
Foot soak?
Foot soak.
Avec ça va rentrer dans tes pieds. Ça va rentrer dans tes pieds.
Ça va rentrer dans les pieds.
Oui.
Comment ça? It's cold though.
Oh my god, this is so relaxing. These things help so much. I love it. I just love using this. I thank my daughters for this Mother's Day gift that they offered me, because I was really complaining with my foot. I will keep on rolling it and to get it be well massaged, and then I'll be cleaning it all underneath the toenail and all. I'll be cleaning it very well. So please keep watching, guys. So guys, right now I'll start by cleaning it, removing every bit of, now clean all around my tools, remove every little dead cells or whatever there is. I'm gonna be removing it right now. Just watch and enjoy this video, guys.
Hey, I got something to say. I'm just so sick of hearing everyone complain. I know it's tough and I know there's pain, but hitting bottom is the only way to change. So I'll keep hustling, you keep struggling. Bitch, I'm humbling, keep mumbling. I'll keep doubling, you keep bluffing. You've got nothing, I'll keep hustling. I've seen a lot of people who don't know what work is. I've seen a lot of people who don't know what thirst is. I've had a taste of evil and tried to cure the sickness, but I just keep my head down and focus on the facts. I'm setting down gravel while you just follow the path. I'll lead them into battle while you're just too scared to act. I'll leave the knife right in my back. So I'll keep hustling, you keep struggling. Bitch, I'm humbling, keep mumbling. I'll keep doubling, you keep bluffing. You've got nothing, I'll keep hustling.
So guys, at this point I think that I'm done with my tools. I won't be adding any nail polish to it because I noticed that it keeps my toenail yellow, so I won't be adding anything to it again. So guys, thank you all so much for watching my video, and if you have watched my video till now, I do appreciate. Please like, comment, share and subscribe. It's very free guys, and I'll be seeing you in another video. So for now, bye.